Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to verify your wallet security status. To verify your Ton wallet security status, you can follow these steps to ensure that your funds and personal information are safe from potential threats. Check for the latest version. Open the App Store or Play Store. Here, search for your application. Now click on the application and you will find the update button there. New updates often include security patches, so running outdated software can leave your wallet vulnerable. You can also verify the official source. Ensure your wallet was downloaded from the official source. Private using third-party website and application. Confirm that your seed phrase is stored securely and offline. Write in a paper and keep it in a safe place. You can also review the access permission. Check application permission on a device to ensure the Ton wallet has only necessary access. You can also check for unauthorized connection. Review any third-party connection you have authorized with your wallet. Revoke the access from any services you no longer use or don't recognize. Regularly review your wallet transaction history for any suspicious activities. Immediate action should be taken if you notice anything unusual. The last is to backup. Ensure your wallet recovery process works by testing the seed phrase on different device or wallet application. This helps confirm that can recover your wallet in case of loss or device failure. By regularly reviewing these steps, you can maintain a high level of security for your Ton wallet and minimize the risks of unauthorized access or loss. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.